Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is day 6 of my birthday series. So today's video shout out goes to DK Prajapati Vlogs. So thank you so much for commenting on my video. So if you want a shout out as well, just subscribe to my channel and comment down below and I will mention you in my next video. So in today's video, I am going to make my vision board of this year. So I am going to make a vision board of 2021. So I am going to write and stick all the pictures that I want to achieve this year. So I will be making my vision board with you guys. So I have watched a lot of tutorials on YouTube that how to make a vision board. So I think I have learned a lot. So I wanted to make my vision board with you guys and show you how I make my vision board. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's begin with this video. So first, before sticking your pictures to your vision board, the first and most important thing is to write down all the things that you want to achieve this year. So I have my journal over here. So first I'll be writing all the things, like what are the things like my priorities and what are the specific things that I want this year in this journal, and then we will move on to the further part. So while writing as well, you need to be very specific what you want. For example, if you want a camera, write down what is the brand name of the camera, which model do you want. So every specific thing that you want. So now you can see guys that I have written everything that I want this year, like I want to achieve this year. So I've written everything specifically, like for example, if I want a watch this year, so I've written like what brand I want. For example, I have written I want a Daniel Wellington watch. So Daniel Wellington also has like a lot of watches, but the specific range of the watch and a bracelet set that I want, I will just take that picture and I will stick it in my vision board. So I hope you are getting what I'm trying to tell. So after you write all the things that you want, you need to search for the images appropriate to what you have written. So for that you can refer to either Google or you can also search on Pinterest. Pinterest has lot of like nice quotes and beautiful looking aesthetic pictures. So if you want like a aesthetic quote like good vibes and everything, you will get really nice pictures on Pinterest. So definitely check that out, like Pinterest for aesthetic photos. And if you need like things related to your what you have written, so you can get those pictures on Google obviously. And if you want like materialistic pictures like a watch picture or a camera picture, you get those from online websites as well, like Amazon or Flipkart. It will be more specific on that and you can save those in your cards. Also guys, let me tell you that if you want like for example, I wanted my subscribers or my followers to be this much and that much, so I've specifically erased the number that is now, and how much I wanted, I've edited it. So if you want to edit as well the numbers, so you can use either PixArt to edit the numbers or you can also use Snapseed. So I use PixArt more, like to edit the numbers, because it has like the proper shade and everything, so it looks real, so that I can feel like it is real and I can vision properly. This is the actual picture you can see. So I got this one from Google. So I edited this one to this, like my own picture. I edited everything using PixArt, so you can do as well. So I will share with you my screenshot as well, like my vertical screenshot of my screen lock, so that you can see how I have made this. So now I have all my pictures printed. So you can see this is how my print looks like. Got this mount board and also this black chart papers. So I have edited my vision board on my phone itself, so I know that all my pictures are mostly on white background, so it will not show up if I paste this directly on white. So that's why I brought this black chart paper. So that's why I'm telling you guys that edit your vision board roughly on your phone itself, so that you would know that what background will look best with your vision board, like what will go the best. So this is what I've got. So you will just require three things: your mount board, your chart paper, and also your printout, obviously. And also guys, I forgot to mention, I have not printed like vision board 2021 directly on a printing paper. I have made it myself because I wanted to give it like a personal touch, so I made this. So I have made this background as well on a plain white paper, and I have written this vision board 2021. So it was like a plain white paper, so I did this. Keep it all real, you guys. Whatever you love, keep that, so that it will relate more to you, what I have learned by watching all the tutorials. So that is why I've done like a pink and blue ka wallpaper, and then I have written this vision board. Okay guys, so now you can see I have all the things ready. So first we'll cut the photos accordingly. So first let me cut the photos. So okay, my photos are done. So first let's keep these photos aside, and the first and the most important thing that I will do is to cover my mount board with this black chart paper. So you can use any double side tape as well. I'm just using this Fevicol to stick this. So after my background is complete, we'll start sticking photos. So before sticking, just keep your pictures on place and see where and how it is fitting. So firstly, I'm going to keep all the pictures, like arrange it properly, how it is going to fit and how it is looking. And once when I'm happy with how my pictures and how my vision board looks, then I will start sticking them in place. Also guys, if your pictures require cutting, you can do it accordingly. So once I'm happy that how my vision board is looking, like how it is going to look after I stick the pictures, then I'm starting to apply the glue and paste it there itself. Okay guys, so now I am finally done. So I will show you all the things that I have stuck to my vision board one by one. So before showing that, let me tell you that I have made a small vision board as well, like a travel size vision board in my journal itself. So you can see I have made it similarly. I have printed small pictures, like the same pictures in a smaller size, and stuck it in my journal. So this is how it is looking. So I've also left this spot to write the exact amount that I want this year every month. So the big vision board I cannot take anywhere, but this one in my journal will be always there with me. So this big vision board, I will stick it in my wall somewhere, like where I can see it properly all time. And this small vision board, like in my journal, will always remain with me. So let me show you like what all the stuffs are there in my vision board this year. So I have this play button, and also I have edited the figure that I want this year for my YouTube channel and also on my Instagram. So there are things related to YouTube on this board, the things related to my career as a dentist, and also the amount that I want, and also financial freedom. As a dentist, I want to work and practice this year, my workout goals this year. I have a lot of fitness goals this year, so I am really looking forward to it. Also the watch that I want this year, also some really positive quotes that I got from Pinterest. So you can search for Pinterest as well guys. Pinterest really has some amazing quotes. So here on the money image, I will be writing the amount that I want this year, like every month I should earn. Also I have printed this 3 BHK flat ka overall picture so that I can visualize this home. And also the travel locations that I want to visit this year, that are Shimla, Manali, Goa, and also South Korea. So I've printed them as well. So I really wanted to print all these things, so I have stuck this to my vision board. I really hope and I will definitely achieve all the things. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you all liked it. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And if you want a mention in my video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment down below, and I will mention you in my next video. So yeah, I will see you in next video. Till then, bye.